Hello dosto and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Z Connect Season 2. Are you connected? Well, before we go on with today's show, I'd like to share something with you all that I read recently. Starting a new day, starting a new life, starting a new page in the endless book of life. And, well, what better way to start than by giving you all a glimpse of what has been happening in your very own magical city of Dubai. Uske liye we have the front page, where we give you the news and views and all the happenings in your own very city. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं फ्रंट पेज से।
The new high-tech border port crossing linking the UAE and Oman will open in a few months' time from now. The electronic system will combine gateway and land borders and will facilitate smoother transit of travelers between land borders of the UAE and Oman. The service will work on capturing passengers' information by radio frequency identification and scanning special e-cards used by the passengers while they are just seated in their vehicles. The process will take less than 40 seconds to facilitate an individual's passport control process. Dubai hopes to become a bike-friendly city with more dedicated lanes, particularly near metro stations. As per the officials, all the metro stations will be integrated with dedicated cycling tracks in the near future. This will also eradicate the problems being faced by the workers who cycle on the streets and often end up getting their bicycles confiscated. Windows and openings in residential buildings in Abu Dhabi will be secured so that they do not open wider than 10 centimeters as per the DMA. The decree by the DMA aims to prevent falls from high-rise buildings and also stipulates that window or balcony openings less than 1.5 meters in height from the floor must have locks and proper protective measures installed. Building owners have been granted 6 months to install protective devices.
फैमिली वो होती है जो हमें अपने होने का एहसास दिलाती है। फैमिली वो होती है जिनके पास जाकर हम अपनी सारी टेंशन्स भूल जाते हैं, यहाँ तक कि हफ्ते भर की थकान, ऑफिस की टेंशन, बॉस की डांट एंड इवन ट्रैफिक जैम्स। वेल, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग। मीटिंग न्यू पीपल एंड देयर फैमिलीज इज वन बिग ट्रीट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, और इसीलिए हर हफ्ते एंड्रिया जा पहुंचती है आप में से किसी के घर। एंड दिस वीक वी आर मीटिंग द अरोरास इन आवर जी फैमिली सेक्शन।
Let's meet our Z family for this week. Hi everybody.
Hello. Hi, I'm Prince.
Hi, I'm Shuchi.
I am Adya. Hi, I'm Sid.
And we all happen to be Auroras.
So tell me, what does family mean to you?
Very difficult to actually explain this in one word, but if I have to say, family is to me equal to probably life. That's what I would say. It's the whole and soul purpose of life. You come back to family, you share with the family. Family is like tadka, if I have to actually say. It's a complete tadka. You know, there is spice, there is happiness, there is joy, there is adventure. Every day becomes a new day because there's something or the other that keeps happening in the family. So that's what makes it, all the more exciting.
My mother always helps me in everything. When I come from school, I straight call and tell what happened in the school. My father, on the other hand, is very musty filled.
Tell me, what do you like about Z?
I think Z as a package, if I have to really talk about it, I would say it's a complete wholesome or a holistic package that comes to you. I still remember Z has been the pioneer in so many programs across different genres. Saregama was a great example of where you had such you had people coming on that platform and then becoming great singers. From there to look at a DID today, again they have reinvented the wheel. Again they have been the first to actually make Dance India Dance as an amazing platform for all the budding dancers there, which even anybody would want to emulate that. Nobody can emulate that kind of a channel.
whenever there is Dance India Dance being aired on TV, wherever we are, whatever we are doing, we just leave everything and we are here together as a family watching that program and thoroughly entertaining ourselves with it.
See family, I belong.
Thank you very much. And if you wish to be on Zee TV, all you got to do is subscribe to the Zee Family package or do write into us at zeefamily@meerazeetv.com.
You know, they say that too many cooks spoil the broth, but in our fully fried section, the case is totally opposite. क्योंकि यहाँ पर तो जितने ज़्यादा दिमाग, उतने ही ज़्यादा जवाब और उतना ही भेजा totally fry. Well, this week on Fully Fried, we decided to get a little filmy and test your Bollywood knowledge. तो बताइए हमें कि फिल्म शोले के कैरेक्टर कालिया का असली नाम क्या है?
कालिया 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 किसने निकाला?
मुच्छर था कौन था?
Kalia McMahon was that one holding the gun.
कोई जॉनी नहीं कोई he was Christian, he's a Christian guy, I know that, I guess. नहीं पता. No idea. Sorry.
2-3 बार देखा लेकिन पता नहीं.
कसम से मैंने शोले एक बार देखा था, वो भी 8 साल पे कसम से आदमी.
I don't know.
कालिया याद नहीं आ रहा अभी तो.
कालिया किरदार सर हम actually I don't know his name.
गब्बर का पता है, कालिया का नहीं पता.
Guess भी नहीं होगा, पता ही नहीं कुछ.
I don't know.
Actually, I don't remember the name. I just remember the face.
No idea. Not yet.
पता नहीं कालिया.
ठाकुर को जानता हूँ, गब्बर को जानता हूँ, कालिया जो नहीं देखा मूवी में.
मैं सही आपको बताऊं, मैं इतनी पिक्चरें नहीं देखता हूँ.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm very bad in memories. कालिया था ही नहीं उसमें शोले में शायद.
दिमाग में याद नहीं आ रहा है, नाम मुश्किल लग रहा है बहुत.
बीजू खोटे, right?
बीजू खोटे.
Fully Fried के बाद break तो बनता ही है boss. But do come back very soon, because on the other end we have lots of exciting stuff on UAE Centric.